Oh, yes.
I don't think I'll make it. Yeah, I don't think I can make that.
Wench. Oh.
Ice.
Oh, no. You can do it, Serpent King. Oh, thanks.
I don't want to.
Then don't.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
It's a mistake.
I know. Oh my gosh.
I have a change of clothes, it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
So we were standing on the vlog. This is the vlog.
Yep.
I dropped my phone case. That's not ideal. Oh my gosh.
We have been trusted with fire.
My s'mores aren't setting on fire. It's annoying.
We have been trusted with fire. This was a mistake.
Oh, fire, dark fire, there's fire in my skin. Stick your tongue out, my friend.
That is a clam. We found a living clam. All the other ones are dead. He's the sole survivor.
I want him to stick his tongue out again.
Stick your tongue out.
Stick your tongue out, sir.
Stick it out.
Stick it out.
Stick it out.
He's not doing it.
Hand reveal. That's a lot of oysters. They squirting water at us.
Like jerks.
Yeah.
I hate them.
What's moving? I saw something moving. Is there a crab? Something moved. A boy.
Oh! A crab.
A small lad.
Potatoes.
Oh, it is a man. So
A
that
man.
little like bumpy thing there.
Whoa. You can
So if
zoom in
it's-
a lot.
Yeah. So if this little like arch on the bottom of a crab is skinny like that, it's a dude. If it's a big wide one, it's a girl. Goodbye, crab.
Goodbye, crab.
Goodbye, crab. Give me phone.
Alright.
That's a lot of oysters, though.
Yeah.
Is this guy alive? Is this a... I can't do this with one hand. I think he is. I don't know. I think this guy's alive. Have a friend.
But he's got a hole in his mouth.
Uh-oh. That's mean. Is this guy alive? I don't know. We've been spending the past, like, since we've been down here looking for clams that are alive.
He didn't take any fall damage. There was water.
Yeah.
I wonder if they even realize that they're being thrown.
I don't know. Clams aren't very smart.
This one has a hole. Does that mean it was eaten?
Probably.
Okay.
If they have holes, that means a starfish got to them.
Oh.
It's very sparkly. The water. It looks like that one filter, but it's not. It's real life, so it's better. Yeah.
If your eyes sparkle, then you're a virgin. That's the filter.
Hey, I jumped that yesterday.
I didn't.
Because you're a wimp.
I'm a coward.
Oh.
It's a deep little sinkhole we got here. Probably.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bury it so other people fall in it too.
I'm gonna go in the water.
Oh.
Say boot. Water. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. That would be unfortunate. You are trapped upon the shore.
Yeah.
I'm just filming your legs. Leg. Woter.
Dead.
Oh, he did. This is a big boy. Look at this thick lad.
This dummy thick monsieur.
He too thick.
Are you alive? You are dead.
Rip.
Anger.
God. SMH. I need to stop saying that. I can't lift it with one hand.
You just.
Yo, crab!
Dab! I want
Crab.
the big one. I want the big one. Ah! I caught him.
I got a little dude. What are you? What are you, sir? Ma'am. This is a lady. Like that's no! She fell. I don't know. I'm gonna get canceled for mistreating animals. They're for two little tiny crabs.
Yeah, the
crabs are fine. I saw
the
them.
crab community is gonna come.
The crab community is gonna come for me. No. What's under here? Oh,
Crab.
white crab.
I want to catch. Give me crab. Give me crab. Give me crab.
Crab. This is a woman. Oh, the underside is black. That's neat. I'm gonna put him in the sun.
I
No, I want to see him in the sun.
my little crustacean friend. Hello, little crustacean. Goes.
Friend, come here, friend. That's a rock.
Oh.
It's okay, little dude. He's right there.
there. Will it try and dig itself
Yeah.
down again?
Probably. They wiggle. It's funny.
I want to watch. Wiggle. 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 Wiggle.
I think they wiggle the other way.
Like this?
No, I think they wiggle with the opening part up. I don't know.
Wiggle. I'm gonna get canceled for mistreating
Clams.
clams.
Oh, there's a muscle on this. This oyster has a muscle. This oyster has muscles. He been hitting the gym.
Oh wow.
He got them gains.
Oh wow.
He don't skip leg day.
No, he don't.
I'm sure that joke has never been made about muscles before.
I don't skip leg day either.
Just don't be showing that ankle. That's too much for the world.
That's a
to
little
handle.
too scandalous.
Yeah. Open Sesame Beach.
No, we don't want it to open because that means it's dead.
He's leaking. I think he's dead. The video cut off like a freaking jerk, but yeah.
Crab shell.
Oh, he did. No.
You want to go sit on the vlog log?
We should go sit on the vlog log.
The vlog
Let's go sit on the vlog log. No.
I watched you step on that.
No. No. Not the sand dollar that was long dead before he broke. No. 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 How could they do this? How could they do this?
We're inside. What?
No.
Oh, a dead crab. Oh.
That was a man. Oh. POV, you are a seagull. Nom.
There's a little thing.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Hey yo, what's in there? Oh, it's a boy. It's a crab and a moon. This is a full moon snail shell. I'm gonna go put the crab under a rock. Hold up. That's a moon snail shell. And they're snaily boys. And they're neat. Oh, we've been walking for days, but we finally made it.
Made it back home to the vlog log.
The log. This was in the water yesterday. This is where I dropped my phone case.
Dead. I didn't expect him to be alive, but I was
Rip.
disappointed nonetheless.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
I thought that was your phone.
I don't know. I didn't get good sleep last night. Somebody decided to play country music at 1 a.m., so that was fun.
It was freezing last night.
Oh yeah, it was so cold. And my sleeping bag like broke in the middle of the night. So it was just like freezing and just exposed.
And I couldn't find my earbuds, so I couldn't listen to music or watch a movie to help me fall asleep. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's
Rip.
camping, man.
Camping.
We got like 3 more
Rough.
days of this.
Damn. We're roughing it.
Yeah.
We found a long one. Crab. Starfish. More crabs. So many crabs. Sand dollars. So many things. The things.
The thing.
Boy.
Oh my gosh.
Dead.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Okay.
Look at all the sand dollars.
Like baby starfish.
There are so many just so many sea cucumbers and crabs.
Oh, Dad, do you see that knife?
So many. What is that white thing out there? What is that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think it's just sand. So many sea cucumbers. They look really ugly and it's funny. I hope I don't drop my phone in the water.
That would really suck.
It would really suck. Crab. Crab. He
Are
crab.
sea cucumbers poisonous?
I don't know.
Oh wait, that is a giant crab.
Oh,
What
whoa,
the heck?
he's huge.
That's a giant.
He's huge.
He's ginormous.
Yo. That's the kind you want to catch to eat.